Hi everyone, and welcome to Creative Chelsea. Today I would like to share with you my upcoming online class for October 2022. This class is going to be fun. We will be creating 6 beautiful handmade fun fold Christmas cards with 2 bundles from Stampin' Up. They are from the Lights Aglow Suite. The first bundle is Christmas lights, and it includes the Christmas lights stamp set and the twinkling lights dies. And the second bundle is the Brightest Glow stamp set and the Labels Aglow dies. Both bundles can be found online or in the July through December mini catalog. I hope you decide to join me. It will be a great class and the cards are gorgeous and the fun folds are perfect for this suite of products. To sign up for this class, please go to my blog, creativechelsea.com, and the direct link is below in the description. I am excited to share these cards with you today, so let's go check them out now. Here are the cards we are going to be creating in this class. These cards use the beautiful Lights Aglow Suite from Stampin' Up. I love how the images play so nicely with the fun fold designs. Each fun fold is a play on the gatefold card, and each have a new little twist on the original design. You can also see that the insides of each card are stamped as well. I love that you can mix and match many of the greetings from the Brightest Glow Bundle to get messages on both the front and inside of each card. This is a fun one. I am so excited to make these cards with you. I can hardly wait. I hope you decide to join me. It will be an amazing class. If you would like to make multiple sets of cards, I will be offering a cardstock only kit for $15 that can be purchased along with a full kit. Get the details on my blog. This class will run from Monday, October 24th through Saturday, the 29th. We will meet each day during the week to create one of the 6 cards. This class is open to everyone, customers and demonstrators. Participants can join me live at 10 a.m. Mountain Time for the sessions during the week or can watch the replay videos at their leisure. The class fee is $35 and you can register through my blog, creativechelsea.com, and the direct link is below in the description. Registration for this class closes on Saturday, October 8th, so sign up as soon as possible to reserve your spot. When you sign up, you will receive a class kit. This kit is only available to participants in the United States. If you live outside of the US, you can choose the tutorial only option. This kit will include cardstock and card bases along with envelopes, gold and vanilla ribbon, festive pearls, 12 6x6 sheets from the Lights Aglow Designer Series paper pack, 3 6x6 glimmer papers in gold, evening evergreen, and very vanilla, and 3 6x6 festive foils designer series paper, 1 in gold, soft succulent, and cherry cobbler. If you would like to make multiple sets of cards, I will be offering a cardstock only kit for $15 that can be purchased along with a full kit. It includes everything except for the pearls and ribbon. You can purchase as many of either kits as you would like. Get the details on my blog. Please note that I reserve the right to switch products based on availability. Substituted products will be of similar value and keep the integrity of the design. All of my online classes are done through a private Facebook group. In this group, we will have 6 Facebook Live sessions scheduled at 10 a.m. Mountain Time each day during the week of October 24th. In this session, I will walk you through how to make the card and show you the techniques needed. If you are able to join me live, you can also ask questions and get personal help. These video sessions will be recorded and will stay in the group so that you can watch the replay at any time. I will also be posting written PDF instructions for each card in the group. If you are not on Facebook, you can still participate through email. After each session, I will walk you through a link to watch the replay along with a written PDF with step-by-step instructions. To participate in this class and complete these cards, you will need to have these supplies. They will not be provided to you in your class kit. These items are listed in the class details on my blog. If you need to purchase any of these items, please purchase them through my online store and use the host code provided on my blog. These items are the Christmas Lights Bundle, which includes the Christmas Lights stamp set and the Twinkling Lights dies, the Brightest Glow Bundle, which includes the Brightest Glow stamp set and the Lights Aglow dies. You will also want to have an embossing buddy, and you can find this in the Embossing Additions Toolkit, which is in the mini catalog right now. You will also need some gold embossing powder, and you can purchase this in a pack of 3 along with silver and copper from Stampin' Up. It's called the Metallics Embossing Powders pack. You will want a heat tool and Versamark ink pad. You will also need these 3 colors of ink: Evening Evergreen, Soft Succulent, and Cherry Cobbler, as well as the layering circle dies. And you will want to have the die brush tip that goes with the Take Your Pick tool. This is really convenient when poking out those little delicate details from the dies. And then I also recommend having a microfiber cloth to do some cleanup from the heat embossing. Here are the tools you will need to create these cards: paper trimmer, Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine, either the regular or mini size, Take Your Pick tool, paper snips, bone folder, ribbon scissors, your favorite adhesives, some coordinating clear blocks, and make sure to check the clear blocks that are suggested for the 2 different bundles we're using, and then a stamp cleaner. I am so excited for this class and hope you decide to join me. Sign up today through my blog, creativechelsea.com, and the links are below in the description. Thanks for watching. Have a creative day. Bye.